Hey bitches, it's Halloweeny. So, since I'm not cool and I'm not like super awesome, I'm not going to any parties or anything. I'm going trick-or-treating at my big age and I don't give a fuck what anybody has to say about it. The kicker is that I still have no fucking idea what the fuck I'm gonna be yet. So I'm gonna have to figure that out and, well, we're gonna have to figure that out. I'll brainstorm it in the shower. I just bought all this shit for my hair. This is the Bond Repair from L'Oreal. I heard good things about it on TikTok. So we're gonna try her out because this just isn't like, it's not oiled. It's just still crunchy with my gel cast, so just don't look at it. But I'm just gonna wash it out because I don't really give a fuck. Shampoo, conditioner, and then this is like pre-shampoo. I don't know how this rinse thoroughly. Okay, but do I do it in the shower or do I not do it in the shower? I need to watch some videos, guys. And then this is just like the serum. I didn't buy fucking heat protectant. I never buy heat protectant, and that's why my hair looks like this in the first place. Because, well, that's that because I dye it all the time. Anyway, we're gonna shower. See you in a moment. Actually, wait, I need to fucking address this. My fucking French vanilla, I said extra cream, meaning like one cream, because like, duh, like I feel like that's just like when someone asks for extra in a restaurant, you only get one extra than what you're getting anyways. I asked for extra fucking cream and they put 3 fucking cream in my medium French vanilla. Do you want me to fucking shit my pants? Do you want me to shit my pants? Anyway, see you at the shower. It's okay. It is 1:54 p.m. I have an eyelash appointment at 3 o'clock, so I have to go fucking get my eyelashes done, which is painful, but it's okay. Shit happens, and sometimes you have to get your eyelashes done, and yeah. I like my eyelashes. I don't like getting them. I usually just fall asleep, but it's okay, because I wake up. But like, I wake up and I'm like all groggy, and I like hate my life for the day. So I should probably just stop going, question mark. This is my outfit. I'm wearing my Hello Kitty pajamas and this shirt, this long sleeve white shirt. I come back. I guess I'll get ready. I still have no idea what I'm gonna be, but we're gonna figure it out because, yeah, worst case scenario would be like a clown or something like that. We'll see. Welcome to my last appointment, but kind of like 800 miles away. Okay, so I'm home from my eyelash appointment. I don't even know if they look any different, but it's okay. We have some ideas. Wait. First idea, Jesse Pinkman. It's pretty self-explanatory. My brother is being, what the fuck is his name? Walter White. So I could be Jesse. This is my hat idea for that. If I'm Jesse Pinkman. But it's like, what am I gonna do with my hair? I don't know. But then, the next idea is Trixie from Subway Surfers, right? Okay? And then it'll like be fixed. Like this might be the one. Or I was thinking, instead of doing like the regular red Trixie, I could do this one. But, and this matches it kind of, it's not really. I think I'm just gonna do the Trixie one, but we're not gonna not exhaust all of our options. We're gonna try them all. I'm gonna put it together and see if I like, what the fuck is that? Put it together and see if I like it, and then we'll see. Okay, me and Rory are gonna go back to town really fast to look my hair because I'm missing stuff. I need a tank top and maybe red boxers or something. Yeah. Okay. Well, so I went to Walmart. I got this shirt. I have a red bra underneath, but I think that I'm gonna cut the neck. And then if I don't like it, I have another one anyway, so it doesn't matter. And then I'm gonna wear my big baggy blue jeans and I don't know what shoes yet. Probably either a pair of my Superstars or maybe my Vans or maybe my Sambas. I don't fucking know, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one. I kind of fucked it up. Okay. I think it looks better like this. And then I'm gonna change. Jesus. Okay. I changed again. Fucking see it. Hold on. Okay, now I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair. Time lapse that hoe because I'm not talking about it. I don't wanna.
He speeding the rain, fall his hand on my coochie. He touching a millio coochie, doing good. I'm Gucci, fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock, they never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me. 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 Tell me you don't never. Keep me a Haitian, I love me a so. When I get round, I might act like a hoe. When I get round, I might act like a hoe. He wanna sweat, I feel like Amber Rose. Make her touch her toes. Hit from the back, I want more. Nigga, I love when you choke. I'm so conceited. Got a real nigga, don't need no leeches. And I got him where I want him. On this face, now I'm leaving them speechless. So you can call if you need me. Tell me you ain't never ever leave it. When I suck it, I look in your eyes. You better feel like you mean it. I'm sliding the look, I went in on the coochie. Sticky, no biggie, and juicy. Thinking she drinking, she thinking it's Lucy. This time I'm flicking no Cuban. Twist on the like she fidget the rubies. As soon as we pull up, we hit the jacuzzi. So we take this to the button her back. Ayy, living that shit, no rubber, yeah. Like put her on, coming right back. Ayy, ayy. Ain't even whipping, I ain't coming no hoop. The whole Austin proud, no truth. She on my top, made a mess, no truth. Tryna earn, keep had a flex on her. Don't even think about the rest, on her. She ain't on the break, she the best on her. Got my keys. He speeding the right, fall his hand on my coochie. He touching a millio coochie, doing good. I'm Gucci, fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock, ain't never been a groupie. Step on a hoe, I like my nigga bullshit. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me.